Are India and Pakistan heading toward another war? Is this just another political drama or a real threat? In today's video, we'll talk about the warning signs that most people are missing. Hello viewers, you're watching Top Trends by Tahir, bringing you real, research-based, and unbiased news. Recently, India has issued strong statements against Pakistan. According to media reports, the Indian government and military are speaking of decisive action. The situation is clearly growing more tense. But is this the first time something like this has happened? Let's take a look back at key events in history that follow a familiar pattern. In 2001, the Indian parliament was attacked. India immediately blamed Pakistan. In 2008, during the Mumbai attacks, Pakistan was again held responsible, although several international analysts raised doubts about parts of the narrative. In 2016, following the Uri attack, India claimed to have conducted a surgical strike, but no independent sources confirmed it. And in 2019, after the Pulwama attack, India launched an airstrike in Balakot. Indian media claimed hundreds of terrorists were killed, while ground reports told a different story. Interestingly, many of these incidents occurred just before Indian elections or during domestic political pressure. Experts suggest these could be false flag operations designed to create external threats and gain political advantage at home. On the other hand, Pakistan has consistently shown restraint. Both the Prime Minister and the Army Chief have stated clearly that Pakistan desires peace but is fully prepared to respond to any act of aggression. The international community is urging both nations to exercise restraint and engage in dialogue. The UN, European Union, and other peace-loving leaders are encouraging both sides to find a diplomatic solution. But the most important voices are those of the people, millions of ordinary citizens on both sides who want peace, development, and a secure future. They dream the same dreams and hope for the same kind of life. So the question is this just another repeat of an old script, or is there a new agenda being played out? What do you think? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Is this a real threat or just another political move wrapped in media drama? If you'd like to see more research-based and in-depth explainers like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, share it, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on future content. This was Top Trends by Tahir, your source for truth, investigation, and responsible reporting. Take care and Allah Hafiz.